In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Klarna at home try before you buy. Now this feature is known as pay in 30 days, which lets you order clothes online and then try them at home and then only pay for the items that you decide to keep. So to do this online, what you need to do is simply choose the Klarna method within the checkout sections of partner retailers, where you'll be able to see the option called pay in 30 being displayed. Once you tap on it, you just need to log into your Klarna account and then no money upfront is taken. Now what happens is you will have a window of 30 days to try as well as return the items that you do not choose to keep. So the window will start, or the countdown will start, as soon as the retailer ships your package. So you could try the items that you receive, and in order to return the items you just need to head over to your orders within the order section and then tap on report a return, where you'll need to send back the package. So this is the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.